Hello! Today we're adding fractions with different denominators. Part 1. Changing one denominator. When we're looking at adding fractions, it's easy when the denominators are the same, but it's a little tougher when they're different. See here, we got 1/2 and 1/4. They're different. And what we need to do is make them the same so that we can add them. So, one thing we'll do is we'll ask ourselves, is 4 a multiple of 2? Or in other words, can I take 2 and multiply it by something and make 4? Well, of course we can. If we multiplied it 2 times 2, we'd get 4. So if one denominator is a multiple of the other, we only have to change one denominator. So it makes it a little bit easy for us. And we'll change this 1/2 to an equivalent fraction so that we'll have the same denominator, the 4 there. So let's do that. When we do that, we'll write some multiplication signs. We'll write our numbers to multiply. The second step is to actually go through that multiplication process. And finally, we'll just add up the fractions we have at the bottom, and then we'll be finished. So let's start with number 1 here. We'll write our multiplication signs at the top and at the bottom. We'll multiply the number 2, and we multiply 2 because that's the number we have to multiply to the denominator to make it 4. So multiply 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Underneath, we'll write our lines and adding signs so that we have a place to put our fractions. And now we're on step 2, multiplying. We'll multiply the numerator first. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And there we have it. Now we have this 1/4. We're not multiplying it at all, so we just bring it down to the next line. Now all we have to do is add 2/4 plus 1/4. That's pretty easy. We just add the tops and keep the denominators the same. And our answer is 3/4. Not too hard. You can do it.